Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the YouTube problem. An error occurred and please try again later. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials, and now we can start. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is go to the start menu and type in network and control panel. So go to the control panel, go to the network and internet, and open network and sharing center. Now what you want to do is just click on your connection. For me it is Wi-Fi, for you it may be local area connection, local area network, Ethernet, etc. So just click on it. Now click on properties, click on internet IPv4 or internet protocol version 4, and you want to have use the following DNS server addresses checked. So check that and enter 8888, and for alternate DNS server enter 8844. Click on OK, click on OK again, close the network and sharing center, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.